it's Christina, and this video is going to kind of document another milestone in my personal growth and development. And this right here was in May of 2009, and I joined Nouveau Riche. And Nouveau Riche means newly rich, and that was the name of the company. And I guess it is a perfect name for the company because that is what you would be if you moved from the middle class to having a business and purchasing real estate and, you know, kind of ascending out of your situation with education. This company is now called Renatus and still offers real estate investing education, which I highly recommend before you even think about purchasing a property anywhere. Get educated. And I speak from experience because before I found this company, I had 3 to 4 properties in Fredericksburg, Virginia, and Wilmington, North Carolina that I didn't purchase correctly, I didn't manage right, I had to do short sales. I lost so much time and money you just never believe. So, when I heard about this, I was so eager because I was looking for education. I was looking for mentors, something that I could trust. I wanted to recover from my mistakes and try it again, but I was really scared. I wanted to get educated first. Now, I wish that I had this in 2004 and 2005, because after I read the Robert Kiyosaki books, I was ready to take action. And I was making a 6-figure income and certainly had the funds to do so, but did not have the skills. And regretfully, I just, like I said, I've wasted so much money and time. And I learned a lot on the street. So I learned a lot through mistakes. And I said, okay, the rest of my education I'm going to pay for and learn from mentors. So that's the introduction, and then this was the letter that I got from the founders, Jim Piccolo and Bob Snyder, because I decided to invest in the education, be a product of the product, and then promote it here locally in Northern Virginia to anyone who is interested in learning about real estate investing. So that came from Arizona, from Jim Piccolo and Bob Snyder. And then this was one of our brochures, like a glossy promotional piece that talked about, educated real estate investors are the most profitable, and it's absolutely true. And then just had my contact information. So there was that. And this was this is my tuition order. Like, let me see if I put it like that. Thank you for your Nouveau Riche college tuition order. We commend you on your decision to raise the bar on your real estate investing career. And then it had below here a receipt and the login credentials to the membership site where all the video training tutorials were. So this was, I bought this in May of 2009. So, and I was just hungry, like I really spent a lot of time on that site learning and everything. And then also that came, same date, May 2009, was access to the Investor Concierge portal. Now this is, like it says here, as an active Nouveau Riche community member, you now have private access to our Investor Concierge web portal. And it provides a network of real estate acquisition specialists. These are like local market specialists in different areas that get properties, do the property analysis and prepare properties, investor-ready rentals, really. So we had access to the Investor Concierge, which was nice, and pictures of the properties, the rental comps, like all the numbers that you need to evaluate. They were already evaluated and vetted, but you want to do your due diligence. So, and then this was like a little brochure that I made for Mark Kohler. He actually came out. This is the first time I met him. in May of 2009, he came to Tyson's Corner and did a tax and legal workshop for, I think it was all day long, on a Saturday at the Sheraton. And he's amazing. He has a radio show, he has a podcast, he has several books, Lawyers Are Liars and What Your CPA Isn't Telling You. He has, what else? CFO in a Box, and something else. QuickBooks. He has a program on QuickBooks too. Because if you use QuickBooks, all throughout the year, it's going to make it easier on your CPA. He's an attorney, a CPA, KKOS lawyers. I'll leave the link in the description box below, how you can connect with Mark Kohler. Does a weekly radio show on Tuesdays. I try to always make it, and if I can't, I listen to the recording. Always has great guests on there. He has an amazing personality. If you think tax and legal is boring, this is the one person that can make it fun. I mean, totally makes it fun. Like, you're on the edge of your seat listening. That's his unique, just so unique way of presenting it. So this is my little flyer to promote his workshop. And then these were like the glossy flyers that Nouveau Riche had, and we purchased marketing material to help us market locally. And really, this is just like the 4 benefits of the company, of getting involved. And it was education, obviously the real estate investing education, the income opportunity that it presented. You could earn while you're learning because you can promote the product that you just purchased, and get 50% commission. And of something I totally believed in. That's why I was able to market it and sell it. And then properties, they're referring to the investor concierge service. And actually now, like, it's 2014, and I'm still in touch with several people in we're in Nouveau Riche. This company's now called Renatus. I can't remember if I said that or not, but they've gone on to build their portfolio, build their net worth. They have, they've got the education, they applied it, and I know at least 3 people that are offering like this same type of property concierge service, where they find properties in different areas like Memphis and Atlanta, and have them offered on their website. And that would be Crystal Hahn, Jay Massey, and Matt Terrio. And I will leave their links in the description box below. And if you want more information on them, you can look that up. Highly recommend any 3 of those individuals. They kind of worked everything became very successful from humble beginnings. They have great stories, and they're very well off now, and just a wealth of information. Matt and Jay have podcasts in iTunes, and I'll leave links for those too. Definitely will accelerate your learning curve to connect with those individuals, because we learn and then we pay it forward. We learn and apply it, and then after we have some level of success, we create information products and programs to help other people. And then the final benefit would be the community that Nouveau Riche offered, and we were all connected. I mean, we leveraged Facebook. We were all connected through Facebook, and I joined Facebook in 2009. Like, prior to that, I used to think that it was just, I had this misconception that it was just for teenagers who were just posting about nothingness. But you really can use it for business, or you really can use it for tastefully, like respectfully for business. But you can find other people that are interested in the same things you are, and connect with them, and then move the conversation off Facebook to talk about opportunities, and really being a catalyst for somebody else's growth and development, and just expanding their idea, or their that something greater is possible for them. And there was hundreds of people, maybe even thousands, that my Facebook list grew to 5,000, and I just like, wow. And a lot of them are entrepreneurs, and a lot of them came through the connections and community in Nouveau Riche, and everybody, a lot of the people in this community are very generous as far as trying to help you, you know, with your real estate investing, and they're generous with their knowledge and their experiences, and many of them have gone on to do other things and are very successful. So I highly recommend this, and as I said, right now it's called Renatus, and if you're interested in like maybe purchasing that, I know somebody who's in it and still selling it, and I can give you his name if you send me a private message, okay? Christina.haftman@gmail.com. So that's it. I'm going to end this video. Just wanted to kind of like digitize this this period of my life, kind of like journal it, and add it to my YouTube diary here to let people know my qualifications, my skills, the things that I did, who I used to be, who I am now. Always committed to learning and growing and applying information, and this definitely was something that I wish I had in 2004, 2005, but I have it now, and not going to make as many mistakes next time around. So get educated and then buy property. I'll see you on the next video. Thank you so much for watching and being a part of my life.